Hello everybody, today I'm gonna explain you a recipe of healthy pudding. This recipe is animal product free, nut free and soy free. The ingredients are half cup of dates, 1 cup of milk, any kind of milk. I used unsweetened almond milk, and 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. So first we're gonna have the dates, and then we're going to have the milk, and then in the blender we're gonna mix the dates and the milk together. After mixing these two ingredients together, we're gonna pour this mixture into the cup. We're gonna serve the pudding in, and then to thicken the mixture up, we're gonna add chia seeds, and then we're gonna mix these ingredients together, the chia seed with the mixture, very well. After mixing them, we're gonna let it rest. So the longer it rests, the thicker it's gonna get. This is the result. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.